Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're checking out the Hisense 5.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, a sleek and powerful addition to your home audio system. Check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking to elevate your movie nights or gaming sessions with rich, immersive sound, this soundbar could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the details and see why the Hisense 5.1 channel soundbar is making waves in the audio world. The Hisense 5.1 channel soundbar delivers a full surround sound experience that brings your favorite movies, shows, and games to life. With its dedicated center, front, and rear speakers, you'll enjoy crystal clear dialogue, impactful explosions, and a well-rounded audio experience. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster or a subtle drama, the sound quality will enhance every detail. Powerful wireless subwoofer. Included with the soundbar is a robust wireless subwoofer that adds depth and impact to your audio. The subwoofer handles the low frequencies, delivering powerful bass that you can feel as well as hear. This means that every rumble, explosion, and beat is delivered with stunning clarity and intensity, creating a more engaging and thrilling listening experience. Modern design and easy setup. The sleek design of the Hisense 5.1 channel soundbar complements any home entertainment setup. It features a modern, minimalist look that fits seamlessly into your living space. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the included mounting hardware and clear instructions. The wireless subwoofer simplifies the installation even further, eliminating the need for extra cables. Advanced features. The 2024 model of the Hisense soundbar comes with advanced features like Dolby Audio for enhanced sound quality and multiple connectivity options. With HDMI, Optical, and Bluetooth inputs, you can easily connect your TV, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music directly from your smartphone or tablet without needing additional cables. User-friendly controls. The soundbar includes a user-friendly remote control that lets you adjust the volume, switch between inputs, and fine-tune the audio settings with ease. The intuitive design ensures you can quickly make adjustments to suit your preferences, enhancing your overall listening experience. Final thoughts. The Hisense 5.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio system. With its immersive surround sound, powerful bass, and sleek design, it offers great value for its price. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone who enjoys high-quality sound, this soundbar is sure to impress. Ready to enhance your home entertainment setup? Click the link below to explore the Hisense 5.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer and find the best deals available today.